Hey everyone, it is Chrissy at Pinovate. This tutorial is for our gnomes, but this is just the extra portion for their bunny ear add-on. So if you have a gnome kit, use our other tutorial to create him. If you have the bunny ears, this is the video at the end that you're gonna watch, just to do that extra little step. So grab all your stuff, grab your kit, and we'll get going. All right, so I have my gnome that I have already made. I've already built him, put him together, and his beard is so soft. And we're gonna add the bunny ears. So for this step, you're gonna need your gnome, your ears, and your glue gun. The first thing I'm gonna do is find a crease. So I wanna make a crease probably about 2 or 3 inches above where his hat ends by his nose. So right around here, I'm gonna make a little kind of like a pocket almost. So I want to make a little pocket in a spot where the ears can actually tuck into it. So I'm going to tuck a little pocket here, right about there. Okay, and it has somewhere where the ears can actually sit into. So that's your first step. All right, so now that you have your ears, you have a couple different options with these. You can either just place them in as they are. They could be flat and kind of wide open, or if you want to give them a little bit of dimension, you can actually fold the bottoms over so you can see some of the white. So they're kind of more 3D or kind of like wrapped like a tulip. Okay, so like this, I like them wrapped. I'm going to place that into my little pocket like that, like so. Okay, so I can see the back of it wrapping around. I can see the inside. It has a little bit more dimension to it. And once I have it where I want it, I need to hot glue this in. So with my glue gun, I am going to put a little bit of hot glue at the back here, on the ear, at the bottom, and then I'm going to stick it to my hat in behind. And I want to allow that to dry. Okay, I'm also going to glue my ear on the inside at the bottom here to make sure that it holds. And I'm going to glue this front fold that we created. I'm going to glue in the front to make sure that this is holding my ear in place at the front. Okay, so I have my one ear tucked into his hat. I'm going to do the same with the other ear. So again, I'm going to fold the bottom of it so it kind of wraps around. And I am tucking it into that pocket that we created in his hat. So right up at the top here, again, I'm going to glue at the bottom, at the back to the hat. As well as I'm going to glue the inside of my ears to make sure that they hold together. And I'm gluing, again, the front of our pocket that we created onto the ear to make sure that that holds it up. Okay, so I have my ears into my hat here. Now, the one more option that you have, so you can either have them sitting loose away from your hat, or if you want to give it a little bit more, make it a little bit more sturdy, you can actually glue the backs of the ears onto the hat as well, just so it has a little bit more to grasp onto. So I'm gonna add a little bit just near the bottom here. And there we have our cute little Easter gnome with his bunny ears. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed your little add-on onto your Easter gnome. They are so cute and we would love to see them. So please tag us on Instagram at Pinovate and DIY Delivery, and follow us on YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and all of the platforms. We're on everything. So enjoy. Happy Easter.